Remember, we are all soldiers of Pakistan, regardless of our caste, creed, set, and ethnicity, and we will always stand together as one, as this is our strength. The objective of hybrid war is to target the sense of hope in Pakistan and to perpetuate the perception of yahan kuch acha nahi ho sakta. Let me tell you, yahan sab acha hoga. We Pakistanis always find a way, and that we will, inshallah. But do not confuse sincere critique from hybrid. Most voices that you might seem loud to you come from a place of love, patriotism, and trust, and therefore must be heeded. We must listen to our people and apply correction where needed. These voices are a proof that we are alive and well as a nation that is moving in the right direction. Our strength is our strong bond with our people, constitution of our country, democracy and democratic values that our people follow, and therefore we shall defend this bond and our democratic value to the hilt. My dear cadets, our actions are guided by constitutions and the national interest of Pakistan. You will appreciate that today Pakistan is, alhamdulillah, secure from military point of view. We continue to support the government whenever asked to, as per the law and guidelines of the Constitution. We Pakistanis have proved that we can do wonders when we keep our national interest above our parochial, institutional, and personal interest. Pakistan Army is proud to support the nation as it has always supported us, especially when we were fighting the physical enemies of Pakistan. You have been asked to stand firm in very difficult times, but stand you must. We must not be complacent so close to the finish line. In the end, I once again congratulate